you're experiencing high ping while playing Minecraft, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are low, consider upgrading your plan or switching to a more reliable provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Wired connections are generally more stable and can significantly reduce latency compared to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or any other programs that could affect your internet speed while playing Minecraft. Step 4. Optimize Minecraft settings. Adjust your Minecraft settings for better performance. Lowering graphics settings, reducing render distance, and disabling fancy graphics can help improve the game's performance and reduce lag. Step 5. Choose the right server. Select a server that is geographically closer to your location. Playing on a server that is further away can increase your ping. Look for servers with low latency and better performance ratings. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing Minecraft. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.